This is Gas Pump Rob and welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to bring forth videos that are petrol related in nature. A variety of videos covering old gas and oil signs, junkyards with old cars and trucks, gas and oil show events, found out in the wild videos. I really enjoy capturing and sharing this kind of related content. And remember, if it runs on petrol, dispenses petrol, or advertises petrol, most often than not, you will see it right here at Gas Pump Raw Petro Media. The vintage American tractor, which yes, ran on petrol, played a very vital role across America for centuries, helping farmers produce crops and work their lands instead of using manual labor or horses and plows like in the very, very past. I captured this video at Fred Stokes Ranch in Santa Rosa, California at the Pacific Coast Gas and Oil event, and I hope some of you enjoy these vintage tractors in his collection. But before we get started on this collection, let's head over to my shop and see what's going on there. I am back at my shop and I'm going to do some service work and some repairs on the old 1950 Tiger tractor today. What I'm doing is the carburetor, which I had cleaned, runs okay but not great. This kit came with a carburetor. It's an exact replica of what was on this engine. An air filter element instead of the oil bath conversion. Spark plug, fuel filter, fuel line, clamps, and a carb gasket. All that was like, I'm gonna say 1995. Is it worth spending time on this old carburetor when I can have a brand new one for $19.95? Well, let's see how that works out. Somewhere out on the street, I lost the retainer that holds the wheel from sliding off the axle. I actually almost lost the wheel as I was driving down the street over here one night. So I went ahead and found a couple of nuts that would fit over the axle shaft. We machined the inside out and put in 2 set screws, one on each side, to clamp down against that axle. I'm going to go ahead and remove this David Bradley hood now and get to work. Something I want to point out here, I had the carburetor mounted up and then noticed that this right here, that's where your throttle cable hooks. It's actually a rod, a throttle rod. This was turned around to, it was on this side. So when you go to crack the throttle, it would close the throttle. This is the original one here. So I had to basically unpeen that, turn it around, and then peen it again. But it's tight and it's in the correct position now to where we'll get throttle action. Okay, let's fire this thing up. I went back over to that estate sale where I picked up the tractor, and we unburied this Briggs & Stratton engine that's an exact match to what was on that tractor. I was able to buy it very reasonably. It's got the same carburetor setup. Just in case I blow up the current engine, I'll have a backup. Yes. International Harvester. It's a model number FCUB. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. I have much more petrol-related content coming your way soon, so stay tuned, and until next time, take care.